Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I would like to show you how to convert image file to PDF or JPG file to PDF. How to convert it. In this tutorial I will show you that. And now guys, you can see there have a photo on my phone gallery. This is a photo and it's JPG file and I want to convert it PDF file. So how can I convert it JPG to PDF file on my mobile? I will show you that. So let's begin. So first, what should you do? You just need to open your browser. I open my Chrome browser and now go to search bar and type JPG to PDF. Just type JPG to PDF, then go. Now open at the first link. Now there have a option choose files. There you can see choose files. Just tap over it and now I select this photo. Then on the top you can see option done. It's converting. Just tap on this convert option. There you can see it's started. Just wait a moment and your PDF file already ready. Now if you want to download, just select download files. Then you can change your name, or if you don't want, just select download. That's it. Your download already complete. Now you can watch your PDF file. So there you can see this is your PDF file and it's converted JPG to PDF. So guys, in this way you can convert your image or JPG to PDF. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.